Hi everyone, welcome to Linearity Curve. Today we are diving into designing a podcast cover for a social media post. I've got a template ready to roll, so let's customize it to our liking. The current color palette is pretty pastel and warm, but I'm thinking we need to add some vibrant, attention-grabbing colors. First up, let's change that creamy hue to a striking turquoise. Just click on the artboard and you will see all the options for customization appear. You can adjust the background color, resize the canvas, or even add a grid. Painting the color of objects is just as simple. Click and switch to this purple to add a nice contrast against the turquoise. Next, let's give those sparkles a darker green shade and match the text to it. Hold down the Shift key to select them all at once for easy editing. To add a personal touch, let's include the name of the agency. Grab the text tool, choose a darker, cooler color, and we're good to go. And there you have it. Our design is now all polished and ready to make a statement. Keep an eye out for more tutorials coming your way. See you next time.